Yo, what's up, y'all? You know what time it is? Another episode of the Bullet Speed Run. It is the Bullet Speed Run. Let's go, let's go. All right, so where are we at? We at 1300. We're going from 1306 to 1400. So let's get it. Let's go. We're doing Jobava London, Black Lion, King's Indian. Right, that was our openings. Here we go. D4, the usual stuff. Jobava, Knight C3, Bishop F4. Very fast. E3. Quick. I like Queen F3 here. I take him with the pawn. I'm going to get castled next. G4 coming up next. There it is. G5 to follow. Takes. He didn't take, so I'm going H4. I'll take with the pawn here. That doesn't work. Rook H4 doesn't work. So he might be castling queen side. I'm going to go Knight B5 just to annoy him. He'll probably castle. And then Queen G3 or F4 will be my next move. Let's see if he's paying attention. I am threatening mate in one. Mate in one move. And he finds it. Okay, Knight F3. I am attacking this more times now. So he kicks my knight away. I'll go back to the house, hit Knight D5. Okay, Knight takes D5, hits the queen, and mate at the same time. So he should go Queen D6, only move, and he didn't see it. And there it is. Checkmate and done. All right, run it back. Next game. We got E4. We're going with the Black Lion. Our usual stuff. D6. Let's go Knight F6 to follow. E5, Knight D7 coming up. Okay, Bishop E7 or C6. Both are the same. We go Queen C7. Had to scratch my back there. Give him a quick few seconds. Okay, we'll take Bishop E7. Knight G5. I should play H6. That's okay. G5 now. Knight F8. Knight G6. Usual. Knight G6. Knight F4. So usual stuff. G4. I actually like G4 here because when I take with the bishop, there's this annoying pin. Now we got this. If he moves the knight, we take the rook. He doesn't, so now we'll open up his position. Knight takes F3 is going to be devastating. He doesn't allow it. So Queen C8. My next idea is Queen H3. Will he let us play it? He did not, but he did hang everything just now when Knight takes F3. King G2. He didn't go. I'm actually going to go here. I'm actually threatening mate. I can't take the queen, which was simple. But when you find a good move, you look for a better one. Check, rook check, and pre-move. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me not pre-move it. Okay, there we go. Now we can pre-move it. Okay, now we can pre-move. Because he could have played Bishop H3, which is not a pre-move at all. So, okay. Next game. All right, here we go. 1322. And going. Here we go. Jobava London, D4. He's going with the Englund Gambit, guys. You know this is a bad opening.
Bruh.
Not the way to do it. Okay, D takes. We're going to go with Bishop F4. I always like getting the bishop outside the pawn chain. Play E3 here. Knight F3. Bishop D3 is next. I want to sack. If he doesn't push this pawn, okay, we'll go G4. Immediate G4 there. I'll back the bishop up. I don't want him to take on F4. Now he hangs the knight. We'll take that. And then knight takes E5 to follow. There it is. Queen D3. He is threatening nothing, actually. Knight C3. Knight E4 is my next move. Okay. And he didn't allow it. Queen D3. I'm getting castled queenside. (1322) and climbing. Okay, he played D5. I'm out of the way. I'm just going to get castled queenside. Bishop check is cool with this whole idea of doing stuff. Let's check him first. Then we'll take here. Then we'll go back and then we'll do this. 27 seconds left. Knight E5, Knight G6 is next. Check. Check. Takes. Ring around the rosy there. Take the queen too. Bishop's hanging. I'll go Queen G6. Assuming he moves the bishop. He resigns. We got him there. 1330. Keep it moving. Jobava. Okay, Knight B5. Already got him. He's messed up. Boom, got him there. Okay, we'll take the rook. Bishop C7 first. Maybe I'll just go back. Bring the knight back. Bishop G3. Bring the knight all the way back out here. So I was able to take a rook there and just bring the knight right back home. Now we're up some serious material. Bring this knight all the way home. Play E4. Knight takes. Okay, I'll take. Knight F3 to follow. Bishop B2, Queen D2, castle queenside. Moving very quick here. Moving very quick. Knight A4. Idea is bring the knight to C5 or B6. Knight C5 hit the queen. Queen B4. Bishop A6 ideas. We'll play A4. Kick the knight. Then Bishop A6. Okay, we'll take freebie. Take that too. Nice. Queen winning. Rook here. Always good for a nice little rook lift. I'm going to bait him into taking the rook. There it is. It worked. Check. Oh, my queen's hanging too. I just noticed that. Just noticed my queen's hanging. Let's go check here. Didn't take the queen. My queen was hanging too. Is it when you finally move, look for a better one? I don't see a mate. I'll take. Pre-move rook down. If it mates. Dang, it's not mate. Ooh, that was not good. Okay, takes a check. We're still winning though, but that was not a great pre-move. Okay, takes. Check. Here. Here. Done. There we go. 1336. Keep it going. D6 on pre-move. Knight F6. He hangs the pawn. We go back. Knight D7. I'm going to go to G6 route. Go King's Indian here. See, the pre-moves are crazy. Check. I don't really need to take that pawn. I'm going to go H5 though. Knight D5. We got some double pawns, but not worried about anything really. Queen C6. Maybe B6, B5. Let's bring the knight around. I want to break this stuff up in a minute. Bishop F5 is nice. Rook C8. Bishop check. Play E5. Open up the game a little bit. Okay, we'll take here. Whoa, is king out in the middle of the street like this? Let's put the rook here. There we go. Win the queen. There we go, boys. And there we have it. Up some serious material. Queen out of the way. Move the knight around is next. Wait, let's make sure he don't do nothing crazy, right? Let's go here. Knight check is coming. There we go. Take this way. Bring the queen up. Check. Bring the knight in. Check again. Bring the knight in. Stay there. I'm just gonna pre-move stuff. Okay, and done. 1340. Keep it going. I'm getting the hang of it now. Speed. I had to warm up the first few games. Now I'm just extra ultra fast here. C6, H6, Bishop E7, Queen C7. Same thing. Like lion. That's fine. It's fine. Okay. Go here. Maybe I'm moving too fast. Maybe a little too fast, if I must say. Might be moving a little bit too fast here, boys. I'm okay though. This is annoying. Take. I'm not gonna allow it. I'm gonna play F5, but it is a little weird. Position is a little weird. I want to put the rook on the file here and like, okay, let's do this. Do this first. Go here next. Shoot for that. Maybe I'll go here next. Okay, well that helped out. Take the knight. And now look at this. We got a mate threat. Boom, there it is. We got him. Yeah, I definitely moved a little too fast out the opening there, but we're good. 1350 and counting. Okay, caught us with the little, oh, we caught him back. Let's take with the queen. Take here. Bishop G5. Okay, back it up. Great. Castle. Knight D5. Getting this. Take. Check. That was a good move. I'm gonna go C4. I'm gonna try to take all my pawns. Now we got the 7th. And we walk the king up if checks. Speed, boy, speed. Check. Check. Okay, let's go check. Takes. Okay, let's push. Three, two, and one, and he flags. Good game though. Good game. 13:59. Keep it going, Jobava up. Bishop G5. Get castle next. F4. Bishop D3. That doesn't work. Unfortunately for him, doesn't really work. Made threats. Trade queens. Okay. I have to trade. Bring the queen back. Get out of the way. Knight H3. A3. Insist on capturing. Knight E5. Bring a piece closer. Okay, let's go here. Knight takes H6 incoming. Takes with check. Okay, I might as well sack it. Who knows? Who cares? Who cares? There we go. Man. Oh my goodness. Vicious. Very vicious knights here. Procure threatening mate. Push. Push. We'll take those. No tricks. No tricks. No tricks. What's calling me? Answer that later. Okay. H6. Queen takes pawn with check next. 13:67. Keep it going. Let's go D5. We didn't take knight C6. Bishop D6. Just develop. Okay, we'll go A6. Okay, he didn't allow it. Cool. We're just waiting for B5. There it is. He took the right way. Let's go King E7. I know it's strange, but I'm getting off of the diagonal. Now this is hanging. We'll take this, though. We'll take this. Maybe Queen G8, Knight A5. Knight A5 is nice. Hit the queen, play C6, kick his pieces back a little bit. Queen D7 for Bishop F5. Bring the rook back. Bishop F5. Back his queen. And double the rooks. C5. Open up the game a little bit for the castle he just played. He stole a pawn. Can I take this? I'm hitting mate. And an annoying check as well. He finds it. Bishop E6, I think, is trapping his queen. It's a weird queen trap. Very weird. Very weird. Check. Bishop up. Check again. No mate. Oh, here we go. There we go. We got him, boys. We got him. 13:75. Keep it going. Knight D7. Let's go G6. More King's Indian-ish. Go E5. I win a piece now. Take there. A5. More trades. H5. Stop all the pushing. Bishop G4 first. Move the knight next. Rook E8 coming. Nice. Queen B6 hits E3. I'll take the rook. Why not? Bishop here doesn't work. Take. Wait, now it does work. Blunder. Kind of blundered. Okay, let's go here. See what happens. I'm actually gonna sack the queen. Believe it or not. Sack the queen. This mate? Look at this. That is disgusting there. My goodness. Bruh. I was just setting that up. Sack the queen. Another day, another queen sack. 13:83 and counting. Let's go. Jobava up next. 44. Back that up. Queen D2. Castle queen side. F3. H4. Bishop H6. 92. Go H5. Okay, takes. This is how you blow open this side of the board. Ooh, He tricked me. Oh my goodness. All right, boys. Whoa. Oh, he caught me with a crazy one, bro. That man played H5. Well, now we are in flag mode, but also at the same time, hoping for the best. His king out here looking crazy, though. Bishop D3. King is looking a little wild. See what happens. Okay, we get something. We get something back. We get some stuff back here. Get something back. Okay, rook G1. Oh, that must have been a mouse slip. I have a mate. Knight H8. Oh my goodness. Look at this move. That is crazy. Come on, bro. Knight H8 is ridiculous. Knight H8. They got rid of his escape score on F7. Bro, that was crazy. Crazy tactics in this run today, boys. 1391. Keep it going. Knight C6. Okay, let's go knight E7. Give me E5. Back it up. Bishop G7. Castle. Now the bishops are really sharp. Really sharp bishops here. I'll go A5. I want to go A4 next. Okay, he's not allowing me. I'll go 94. Queen E3. Nope, he didn't do it. I have B5. The Queen of 6 is hitting mate. Some type of mate. I'll pre-move it. Wait, pre-moving didn't work. In another game, you know, he might go King C2, cook me immediately. Okay, we'll take his queen though. That should do it. Should do it. And there it is. And done. 1400. We hit the goal. Another one down. This is pure entertainment. Remember, this is pure entertainment in the bullet speed run. So hopefully that you guys enjoy this. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel as we are blowing up, guys. All because of you watching the videos and stuff like that. So hopefully you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.